In a world full of DIYers, it's not uncommon for the customer to wait until they've already messed up the job to bring it to somebody else to fix for cheap. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that it's not turning very well and wanted to know if they could adjust the steering rack. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their wheel was pulling to one side and also wasn't holding air. They also mentioned they wouldn't be upsold on a new tire and they just wanted it to be plugged.
Okay, good. So now we're at least even. Because the dealer makes us feel stupid when we send them the fucking Chrysler go out. So they're like, oh, they don't control.
This customer bought their vehicle in stating that ever since changing their serpentine belt themselves, the car has been making a rattling noise and wanted to know if it was related. This customer bought their vehicle in because it keeps pulling to one side. They stated that they would not be upsold on a new tire, and despite the obvious answer not being that it's a tire issue, refused to let them fix it unless it was a cheap plug and fix.
Amazing. A shiny new hub in there. Sheesh.
This customer bought their vehicle in stating that the suspension was knocking, to which the mechanic replied, "What suspension?"
Solid suspension.
This customer bought their vehicle in because there was wire sticking out of the tire. The mechanic had to explain several times that this had nothing to do with the wiry tire, which left the customer furious.
You want me to move it? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, go ahead. Wait.
This customer bought their vehicle in after the axle had literally snapped off. The customer then stated that they're gonna need 2 new tires and a wheel alignment, but refused to pay for any suspension upgrades or repairs. This customer brought their vehicle in complaining of a knocking noise every time they drove or turned a corner at high speeds.
Oh, jeez. Wow.
Thanks for watching this episode of Customer States. If you've enjoyed this one and want to see more just like it, make sure to subscribe for more customer nightmares.